Ka huri atu au ki te taawairua i aia nei. Ko tāua mātua tūpuna he kaitiaki rātou. Ākoa kua huri rātou ki tua te ara. Ko ia toru rātou te tohu mai ki tātou. Te kōrero mai ki tātou. I ngā āuatanga katoa.
In Kaitiakitanga, you could also say there's a spiritual element that definitely needs to be appeased. So sometimes that gets lost in translation, but there's a depth to it that needs to be acknowledged. Our river had many kaitiaki, and those kaitiaki may have a guardianship over a certain portion of the river. There are times when as a people we would need to go and acknowledge our kaitiaki, bring before our awa, or for that part of our kaitiaki, to ask for welfare over our people.
Ki te titiro tāua ki te ngutu awa o Whanganui ki te kaihau akupe, ki ana te kōrero ko te kaitiaki o te ngutu awa ko tūtara moana. Engari ko tana mahi he tiaki, i ana uri, i ngā tāngata. Ko ngā āuatanga I rongo ai au I awa tamariki ana.
I remember koro poma, he had a particular kōrero that always stuck within my mind, and when I referred to the Whanganui River, he would refer to it, he piko, he marae, he tupuna, he piko, he ripo, he Maori. And merely he was saying around every bend there was a marae, around every bend was acknowledged a tupuna, around every bend a particular he ripo or a rapid. But the Whanganui word for ripo was also a kaitiaki. So around every bend this ripo or this kaitiaki had a particular Maori that was specific for that part of our awa, and it was important that we had knowledge of, not to be afraid of, not to live in a sense of fear in terms of using our river, but to show respect in terms of resource, in terms of whether it be fishing, whether it be going from one area, one part of our awa down to another. We would acknowledge our particular kaitiaki in terms of the responsibilities, its welfare over looking after us as a people.
Ka tiro atu au ki te āhua o tō tātou awa o Whanganui. Kāore pai tōna āhua I te timatanga o taku kōrero, ka mētea e au o ko au te awa ko te awa ko au. Engari ka te tika tēnā, engari ka titiro au ki te āhua o tō tāua awa, au e kāre tēnā pai te āhua, ki te paru haere, nō reira e pāna ki tērā ko te tiaki te whenua o ki ka atātou.
Me pēhea te tēnu mahi o a tātā tūpuna hei kaitiaki ki te whenua. Ka hea I naenei e ki ai, nā tātou ngā kaitiaki e moa pōpō he tiaki tā tātou whenua.
Kaitiakitanga today has probably moved a little bit, it's a little bit different. You talk about Kaitiakitanga in terms of ownership, when we look at land issues and those types of things, and that's where Kaitiakitanga probably differs a little bit today. A lot of us no longer live by those standards. Just times have changed and people have moved away from where they lived. They no longer live at their haukainga.
Fundamentals to the sea, you know that is who we are. Hey, mokopana to mighty no te awa. Whanganui, Hoia no rai teiwi, tēnei rā te mihi atu kia koutou. Wai te kā hoi manga ki tamarua, ko te awa koa. Wai te kā hoi manga ki tamarua. Fundamentals mountains to the sea, you know that is who we are. E mokopona to mai tino te awa, Whanganui mai te kaui manga ki Tuarua. From the mountains to the sea, you know that is who we are. E mokopona to mai tino te awa. I was every then and I'm every now. No matter what, I always got your back. So whenever you're down and whenever you're out, I will always be there. You can count on that. I was every then and I'm every now. No matter what, I always got your back. So whenever you're down and whenever you're out, I will always be there. You can count on that. To me inside a tree, conceived with love from across the sea. I've been waiting for you. All what I was put it for, to give my life it will carry on, immortalized through you, immortalized through you. I was every then and I'm every now. No matter what, I always got your back. So whenever you're down and whenever you're out, I will always be there. You can count on that. I was every then and I'm every now. No matter what, I always got your back. So whenever you're down and whenever you're out, I will always